Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to add that View Shop button on your Instagram profile. So this is an amazing feature for any businesses looking to sell products directly on the platform. This process is straightforward, but it does have a few important requirements. So now, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now, before you get the View Shop button, your account needs to be properly set up for business on Instagram. And there are a few essential things you must have in place. So first, open the application. And then the first thing is that your Instagram account should be a business or a creator account. Now, if it is still a personal account, you can switch it over for free in your account settings. So for doing that, go to your profile at the bottom, then click on the three lines at the top right. Now here, go to Account Center. Now simply scroll down to the bottom until you find the option called Account Type and Tools. Click on that, and then here you should be able to see Switch to Professional Account. Click on that, then click on Next. Now let me choose one of the categories. Then make sure to Display on Profile and click on Switch Profiles. Now after that, here you will have the option Creator Account or Business Account. So it's totally up to you, whatever you want. Let's say, for example, you'll choose a business account. Click on that, then click on Next, and then we'll simply wait for a few seconds. And after that, here you will have your information, and then simply click on Next. Now here you will have an important setting where you can enable your contact info on your display. You can enable this option here, and then once you're done with all of that, click on Next. And now if you want to link your Facebook, you can do that, but I will skip it for now, and then you're all done. And now your profile is a business profile. Now once that is done, the second important thing that you need to have is a linked business Facebook page. Not the regular Facebook profile, but a business page for your brand or business. And finally, your business must primarily sell physical products that comply with Instagram's commerce policies. Now, if you have all three of these things ready, you're clear to move to the next step. So the View Shop button doesn't appear on its own. It gets added to your profile automatically after you have successfully created your Instagram shop.
And the setup process starts right from your Instagram profile. After creating your business profile, you will see a new dashboard in your profile, which is the Professional Dashboard. Now on your dashboard, simply scroll down and look for a tool that says Set up my Instagram shop. Now here, if you are unable to see the Set up Instagram shop button, that means your account is not eligible. So in order to check your eligibility, what you have to do is go back, click on the three lines at the top right, then scroll down and you should see an option called Business Tools and Controls. Click on that, and here simply look for an option called Link Profile to Shops. And if you have a shop already, you can link your shop on this page here. And even then, if you are unable to see any type of option on this page, that means your account is not verified. So you still have to wait for the verification to complete, and it might take some time. Now let's say, for example, if your account has met all the criteria, what will happen next? So the moment you click on Set up Instagram Shop, Instagram will now guide you through the official setup page. Now this will involve a few steps. First, you will need to confirm your business details and link your Facebook page.
Then you will have to choose a checkout method, either directing people to your own website or having them check out within the app itself. And most importantly, you will need to create a product catalog. You can do this manually or by linking an existing catalog from a platform like Shopify. And then once all of the steps are completed, you can submit your shop for review. So after you submit your shop, you'll need to wait for a little while. The Instagram team will review your account and product catalog to make sure everything follows their rules. Now, this can take some time. For example, it may take a few days to at least 1 to 2 weeks. So a little patience is needed here. And then once everything goes well, you should be able to see a View Shop button in your Business Tools settings. That's it. You now know the complete process to get the View Shop button on your Instagram profile by setting up an official Instagram shop. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So, thank you for watching, and take care.